Hello from the thetutbag, YouTube subscribers and watchers. This is a second video on the HTML anchor tag. If you guys haven't seen the previous video, please go back and check it out. In this video, we will continue our discussion of the anchor tag. So, let's begin. What are we going to discuss in this video? 1. How to link to external websites. 2. How to control where the link opens on your browser. 3. Finally, we will talk about how to link within the same page using the old method and the new HTML5 method. Linking to another site. Use an absolute URL for linking to any external page. An absolute URL specifies all parts of the URL. Here is an example to link to an external site. Link targeting. By default, when you click on a link in your browser, it replaces a current page with the new page you requested. Through the target attribute, you can tell the browser to open the link in a new window or tab. The target attribute has two acceptable values in HTML5. 1. _blank. It means open the destination page in a new window or tab. 2. _self. It means open the destination page in the same window or tab as the current document. Consider this example below that tries to open Google in a new tab. A web page can be of any length. If the page is longer than the browser window, a scroll bar automatically appears so the user can scroll down to read the content. If the page is very long, it is a good practice to include a link to a specific section of the page, as well as a link back to the top. Internal linking requires two parts for each section, a link and a target. Let us first discuss the old linking mechanism prior to HTML5. Here is how to link within the same page prior to HTML5. 1. Create the link. To distinguish an internal link from a standard link to an external page, use a hash symbol as shown below. 2. Create a point in your page where the link created above should point. Prior to HTML5, browsers used a named anchor as an internal link target. In other words, create an anchor tag and give it a name. At the bottom of the page, when the user clicks on the internal link created in step 1, it takes you to the top of the page where you created the destination point using step 2. Let us see how to link within the same page using the new HTML5 technique. 1. Create the link in the same way as shown in the previous slide. 2. Here, you can have any tag at the top. Give it an ID attribute with some value. The ID attribute, when used on a tag, uniquely identifies the tag in the entire document. The HTML5 technique removes unnecessary code from the page and provides more flexibility for internal linking. To simulate having a large page, we will have a header h1 at the top. Our header displays some welcome message. Notice its ID value. We will add a lot of new empty lines using the br tag. At the bottom of the page, we use the new HTML5 technique and add an anchor tag with an ID value that matches the header's ID. Now, when the user clicks on the bottom link, represented by the anchor tag, the user is taken to the top of the page where the header is seen. In other words, we have successfully created navigation within the same page. So, we have discussed the anchor tag completely in these two videos. We hope you guys have understood something about links in HTML5. If you guys liked what you saw, please subscribe to our channel Let us know your thoughts in the comment boxes below and like this video.